It's Auto Exports, and we have replaced the steering wheels for the EVO6 here for my client's order. So we're gonna have a test drive now. Let's check it out. We're gonna ship this car to Amsterdam, Netherlands. It's going to Luxembourg in the final destination. Okay, let's have a test drive. We installed the Momo handle today. Let's go. My brother Stefan, you must watch this movie, man. Here you go. Okay. Turn right the first corner here. Yeah, moving smoothly. Okay. Let's turn left here. Slow down. Okay, turn left. It's working good. And I'll turn left here. Turn left. And we're going to turn right. Oh, turn right is working good too. Okay. Oh, speedometer is working now. Back gear. Hold on 1 sec. There you go. Working good. All right. Okay, thanks for watching. If you need any JDM from Japan, please contact us. See you soon.